You guys, this is about to be the most random video I have ever filmed. No, my LED strips are falling again. Ugh. Obviously you saw the title of this video. I want you to know one thing. I am not an artist. I don't know what has come over me, but the last couple days, all I've wanted to do is like art. I want to hydro dip literally everything. I want to like customize shoes. I want to paint on my wall. I want to paint on shirts and canvases and like DIY jeans. Why? Where is this coming from? I have literally no idea. Yeah, I have a couple cases that I really just hate with a passion. And it made me think, why not take my urge to do art out on these ugly, ugly cases? I know they may not look that ugly on camera, but they are the flimsiest, stupidest looking cases. On top of that, my MacBook case that I've had for a really long time now is just getting kind of old and gross, and it's a little bit broken. So I figured, why not also customize that one? Because either I'll get a new one off Amazon for like 10 bucks if I suck at customizing it, or I will love it and use it. Okay, so we're gonna customize these right now. So first I'm gonna spray paint these all white just to have a nice base primer situation going. So let's go do that. Always use protection, ladies and gents. Actually, I should take this off. All right, you guys, I'm back. It's the next day. I have prepped and primed my cases and they are all dry. Here's what this looks like to start. So it's just silver. There are some weird little areas. The original cover was like peeling up, so it like looks kind of weird, but this is the silver gradient. So what I think I'm gonna do on this is paint like a pink dripping kind of pattern and then peel off the Apple sticker. We're just gonna go for it and figure something out. Yes, peep the new color changing bulbs. What? And LED strips, how cool is that? Vibey. Home Depot, my second home. Not because I haven't been there in so freaking long. On a mission for paint and I got distracted by this money tree. But apparently it's gonna give me good fortune. And I don't know, I was just feeling it. All right, we're now gonna hydro dip some phone cases. I've never done this before, so it's gonna be interesting. Got my spray paint, I got my gloves. The only thing I didn't get is a mask, so gonna be just wearing a bandana, and we're just gonna go for it. I also got this matte finishing spray that I have to put on after to make sure it doesn't chip. We'll do that when the time comes. Let's freaking do it. there you have it. That is the end of the video. All I did after I painted these is I sprayed a clear matte finish on top so that they're not shiny, and to keep the paint in place and protect it from weather and all sorts of cracking and damage. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so random. Leave me a comment down below with what you want me to customize next. School supplies, shoes, Vans, anything. I will do it all. So let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.